Do you want your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to blink its camera flash when you receive notification? With camera flash notification, your phone can flash the rear camera LED for notification and alarms, making them easier to notice. Let me show you how. First, open setting, scroll down and tap accessibility, tap hearing enhancement, tap flash notification. Next, tap camera flash notification. Here you will see a list of supported apps. Choose the app you want to use with this feature. Once done, you can turn on the switch to enable camera flash notification for the apps you enable. Now, when you receive a notification from the selected apps or when an alarm sounds, the camera flash will blink to help alert you. If you no longer want flash notification for an app, simply return to the screen and turn the switch off. And that's how you enable camera flash notification on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.